Dyslexia isn't the problem. The problem is that the environment isn't designed for people with dyslexia. The problem is that the environment isn't designed for people with dyscalculia or dysgraphia or people who are vision impaired or people who have physical disabilities. Like, the problem that so many of us run into when we're trying to work within a system like the educational system is that in order for us to be able to utilize it in a way that works for the way that we function, we need to pursue different avenues or different tools than so many of our peers. And that's why the idea of universal design, or designing a system that works for everyone, is so important. Because if we actually designed a system to be like, okay, what do you bring to the table? Yeah, we already have tools in place that everyone has access to. Not only does that eliminate so many of the barriers to getting those tools, but also, like, I think about this specifically with dyslexic individuals, that eliminates so much of the shame that comes from having to actually use some of those tools at times. Because if a tool is available to everybody, like if everybody had access to text-to-speech software, speech-to-text software, all of the other, like, the aids that benefit dyslexic individuals, if everybody had access to those, then it wouldn't be such a shaming thing to actually be using them. Because anybody who would benefit from them could. And that's so much better of a way of functioning. It's just that it's really hard to change a system that was designed in a very specific way in order to make it more inclusive like that. But just because it's hard doesn't mean we shouldn't be doing it. Because again, the problem isn't your dyslexia, it's not dyscalculia, it's not dysgraphia, it's not blindness, it's not physical impairment. Like, the problem is the way the system has been set up. And that's the thing that we need to work to change.